welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash, and today we are here to completely, potentially ruin my hair. So, ever since I tried on that Cozy Zone wig, I've had it in my head that I want to do bangs. So without following any legit tutorial and just relying on the decade of me doing my own hair, haircuts and all, I'm going to attempt to cut my bangs and color my hair. I'll just be coloring it with this IGK Smoky Scarlet color. I've done this one before. I just am sick of how my hair looks because I don't know if it's going to pick up on the camera, but I have sort of my natural color here, and then I was basically blonde underneath, and it's just a nasty fade, and I just want an even color. I think I would feel better with an even color, so I haven't decided if I'm going to do the color tonight, the same night I'm doing the cut. I might wait a day. We will see. As of now, it is 7:30 at night, and I have to be at work in the morning, so I can't stay up super late. So, without further ado, let's just get into the chopping. I've realized while doing this, I don't have anything other than my viewfinder. So that's great. I'm also trying to film this for TikTok, so we'll see how well this goes. I'm going to first start by sectioning my hair. Kind of had it how I wanted it earlier. I kind of like it a little bit deeper back. Does not look even. You know, I think it looks uneven because my yellow isn't even, so okay. Now I'm going to try the technique where you twist and cut. I'm going to twist it twice, and I'm going to cut it for starting right at the tip of my nose. I'm not too concerned if I screw this up because it's just hair at the end of the day. Like I said, I'm going about the tip of my nose, and let's go with the first cut. So, first cut done. Straightish. So far, too long. It's too long. I'm gonna take a smaller section, leave some of this down. I'm gonna do another twist, two little twists, and I'm going to do a baby cut. I think I'm gonna do that sort of cut. I don't know if this is doing anything besides making a mess, but I got a vacuum anyway, so it's okay. These are hair cutting scissors, by the way. They are just super old. This is what I got going so far. Maybe I took a little too much hair, but it's okay. It's still too long. Growing up, I thought I had the biggest forehead. Now I'm starting to realize I don't have that big of a forehead. I'm gonna go ahead and twist it again. I'm gonna do one straight cut. My husband thinks this is a bad idea, but YOLO. Do I age myself when I say YOLO? Okay. So, this is what I got right now. Definitely not even. Not even at all. But I feel cute. I feel cute. So, what I think I'm going to do is just try to trim up. Again, this is horrible. I'm doing this without a mirror. I'm using my viewfinder. I have this mirror, but I can't hold my hair and cut at the same time. So, like I said, this could just turn out really bad, but I just think I just need it like, oh, just a little bit shorter. Like, to pull my hair up just a little bit shorter. That is like the perfect length. I hate this. I hate this. Grabbing and twisting one more time. Except I got some of the longer ends in. I will fix those momentarily. Do another twist. And I'm going to do the point cut. I'm also cutting on dry hair, by the way, because I hate cutting my hair when it's wet. Is that any shorter? See, it's just a hair too long. Just a hair too long. Get it, hair? Do we see the vision? I think I'm gonna have to do the twist again. Twist, twist, bada boom. Let's do another 1/4 of an inch off. I'm getting hair everywhere. Still slightly too long, what the hell? I'm going to go in at the sides here. This one needs a little shaping. I'm not a professional. Don't, if you follow this, please don't. You know what? Let me go see what my husband thinks. Okay, I had to do a glasses test to see. Husband thinks that it's not too long. That works. So now I just need to shape up the sides. And then I'm feeling cute. The bad thing about living in the apartment that we do, they allow dogs. So I'm just going to do a side angle cut and kind of just soften the edges on both sides so it's not as such like a bang straight down. I'm not a fan of that look on me personally. I've had it before. So this is cute. I'm not gonna take much off. Just gonna do small cuts, like barely even going. It's kind of like the idea if you take a razor to your hair. If you lived through the Scene and Nemo days back in the MySpace days, you know what I'm talking about with the razor cut hair. But that's kind of how I cut my hair back in the day. That's cute. Let me see it with the rest of my hair down. Obviously I need to style it. I'm trying to not use heat on my hair, but I will have to do my blow dry curl on my bangs, and I think that'll lift them a little bit and make it look even better. This random piece of hair. I'm really bad about if a random piece of hair is just in the way, I just cut it. I don't really care otherwise. I'm not liking the rest of my hair, but I think once I get it colored, I will like it a little bit more. I might touch up the yellow. I kind of want to fade out the yellow, but I don't really want to pay any money to get any other dye. But yeah, I'm gonna go check in with my husband again. But stupid dogs. I'm a cat person. I'm gonna go see if he likes it. Okay, I feel exceptionally cute. So I'm going to change out of this because I don't want to ruin this top. Probably gonna take off my lashes and then I'm gonna color my hair because I'm so excited for this transformation. I have been so sick of my hair, but just this by itself feels so much better. Alright, so I have my hair. The only part I have section is this little bit of yellow. I did have yellow on the side, but I'm just gonna cover that up because it didn't stick that well anyway. So as a precaution, I have, like I said, the auburn one. Was it sunset something? And as a backup, I have this one, which is the copper cola one, which is just a lighter orange. That is if I don't have enough to cover my ends, because I'm going to start at the root and then work my way down. And then I'm going to go in with my Arctic Fox and just, I have Cosmic Sunshine, and I'm going to touch up the yellow. And, oh yeah, rings off. Do not want to get anything on my engagement ring or wedding ring. I think I'm going to start with the yellow, maybe? Do the yellow. That way it has pigment on it. Yeah, I'm going to do the yellow first. I'm not pulling all of the yellow that I had down. I have some of it pulled back that I'm going to color over. And I have it separated as best as I can from the rest of the bangs. I saw this video where it recommended wearing a robe while doing your hair because you don't have to worry about taking a shirt off over your head. And I'm burning up. I'm also still trying to film a TikTok while doing this. So I think I can one hand the Arctic Fox. Don't know how well one glove is going to work with this, but I'm just going to make do with it. I'm going to just add a little bit. I don't need a ton. Like I said, this is just touching up the yellow. And I already want to go in with another glove, so can I one-hand it? That is the question. I think I have enough dye just to saturate this. Not worry about touching up my roots because I don't have bleach and I just don't feel like messing with my roots like that. I am, like I said, trying to go back to a natural color, but this is a good in-between because the color that I'm doing does fade very nicely to something that's similar to my natural color, so I'm not too upset about that. I think that is fully coated. I'm not prepared for this at all. I literally don't have any hair clips with me. Yellow, done. Now to move on to this one. So my hair is pretty thick and I'm going to work in sections. I have actually one clip. I'm going to work from the back up and I'm going to focus this at the hairline sort of like if I'm doing a shadow root, and then before I move it down to the end, I'll do all the roots and then I'll move it towards the ends. All while avoiding this yellow. Oh, yep, there it goes. This looks purple when it comes out, but it is a darker color, so I'm just going to start this at the hairline and pray that I have enough. I did order another box on Ulta, but it was supposed to arrive today and it didn't. And I'm impatient. I'm not going to be super precise because I've used this formula before and I know that it kind of blends out pretty well. It's really going to massage that in the back of my head. Which I guess I should show you the back of my head. I'm probably going to speed up a lot of these parts just because this is kind of boring. The more important part was cutting my hair. Squeeze me while I finish up my TikTok, and then I will finish up my YouTube video. Yeah, so I'm just going to pop on some music and go about doing this.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want.
Okay, all the product is in. I had a little bit left over of the lighter shade because one box of the dark wasn't enough for my hair, and I should have known that. I always have to get 2 boxes because my hair is just too thick and it's damaged and it's dry, so it soaks up product when product is put on it. But I'm gonna leave this on for about 30-ish minutes. I'm gonna hop in the shower. I may come back when my hair is wet, I may not, I haven't decided yet, but I will definitely finish this video at some point this weekend. And yeah, I'm excited to see how this turns out. Hopefully I don't hate the bangs once, you know, the colors are rinsed out. Fingers crossed this turns out good. I have a mess to clean up and I got dye everywhere, oh my god. Alright, so this is what my hair officially looks like now with the color done, the cut done, and I feel very cute in it. Is it perfect? No. I had to go in and trim my bangs up a little bit more off camera because after washing my hair color out and drying my hair, I realized it wasn't all that even, but it's still not all that even, but I'm impressed about the split in my bangs. I think that looks pretty cool. I love the yellow with this darker red. And I did end up going in, I don't know if I mentioned it, but I went in with the scarlet, I can never remember the name of it, but the scarlet shade for the majority, and then the copper cola to mix in. That's why some of my ends might appear a little bit lighter. I went in with that towards the end when I was running out of the dark dye, but I'm happy with it. Will I get sick of this? Probably. But as of now, I really like it. I feel cute, and yeah, definitely not a professional when it comes to hair. Never went to any sort of cosmetology school for hair or anything, so everything I know is from trial and error, and also from watching random videos that I don't take much stock in because I don't think I can actually do a professional job, but I do a job that's good enough for me. Alright, so this wraps up my video. If you want more content, you can follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. That's where I have majority of all my stuff going on, but I have all my other social links listed down below if you're interested in those. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm putting up videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we'll say. It could vary on the days, but I am trying to get 3 videos out a week now because I'm back in my groove. Hopefully I stay that way. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.